Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing for this video is some flutter kicks. So what you want to do is just want to lay down on the ground. If you do have a mat, great. If you don't, that's alright. You can use a towel or you can just use the ground. So what you're going to be doing for this exercise is I believe we all gained a couple pounds during this COVID-19, so this is going to be a restart, and what a better way to start the year with getting better and fitter and sexier. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright guys, for this episode we're going to be working on our stomach area, on our abs, because we're trying to get them abs right. Alright, so for this exercise we're going to be doing some flutter kicks. So basically what flutter kicks is, you're going to be laying on your back. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. But you're just going to be moving your legs like this, as if you were swimming, just doing flutter kicks. Alright? So the key thing I want to tell you guys is, do not rush it. Take your time, make sure you're breathing, and make sure you're going at a pace that you could do for about 30 seconds. We're going to be resting for 10 seconds. So it's going to be about probably 8 rounds. This is a 5-minute workout. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing for this video is some flutter kicks. So what you want to do is just want to lay down on the ground. If you do have a mat, great. If you don't, that's alright. You can use a towel or you can just use the ground. So what you're going to be doing for this exercise is very simple. This is going to be an easy variation for my big people out there. You're just going to be lifting up your legs like this. Pretty simple, right? Now if you want to push yourself to the next level, you want to lose those extra pounds real fast, you're going to lift your legs up. So you're going to go like this. Now I don't want you guys, if you guys can do it like this for the whole 30 seconds, hey, go ahead. But what I want you guys to do is just take it slow, pace yourself, make sure you're breathing. So that's how you do some flutter kicks. So now let's get on to the workout. Alright, let's get it, baby. Time to eat. 3, 2, 1. Breathe and enjoy your workout. 2, 1. Take your 10-second break, catch your breath, do what you gotta do. 3, 2, let's get back on it. Goals. Think about what you want to be, where you want to go, how you want to look, how you want to feel, all that good stuff. Go to your happy place, man. This is all you. Come on. Come on. Push yourself. Don't give up. Keep going. Fight that pain. You got this. Easy money. Easy money. Come on. 3, push. 2, 1. Come on, we're almost there. We're almost there. We got, what is it? 5 more rounds. 2, 1. Come on. Fight that pain. You got this. Come on. Push.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, guys. You got this. We're almost there. Push it. Push it.
3,
Come on.
2, 1.
Come on, guys. Work. Push.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, man, I'm working with you guys. Come on. It's burning, but we cannot give up.
3,
Remember about that goal you got.
1.
Remember about that body you want to achieve. That physique you want to have. Those abs. You gotta work for them, guys. It's not easy. It's not easy. Come on. Push.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, guys. We got 2 more rounds. I know you got this. I know it's hurting. I know it's burning. Do not give up. Make sure you breathe in. Push it. If you gotta take a break, take a break. But keep going.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, guys, last round. I'm hurting. I am literally feeling the pain with you guys. Come on. Last round, baby. Finish strong. All right, guys.
3, 2, 1.
We did it. And there you have it, guys. How to do some flutter kicks for 5 minutes. This is the 5-minute series of 5-minute workouts that I'm gonna be starting this year. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you help your boy out with a thumbs up. It always helps me to know that you guys are liking the videos and that you guys are watching the videos. Obviously, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. It's the red button down below. And just comment down in the section what exercises you guys want to see me do, or what exercise you want me to teach you guys how to do, or just questions that you might have, or just tips. If you saw the video and you think that there's a better way of me doing it, hey, write it down. I'm gonna be reading other comments down below. I like when people critique my videos because it's helping me be a better YouTuber and a better trainer, you could say. So without further ado, let's get to do what we came to do, which is get better, guys. I know you guys probably written down your goals for this year, and I'm guessing for a lot of you guys it's gonna be losing weight, getting better, getting healthier. So this is a great channel for you guys to learn all those things. I have not been active with the videos, but this is a new year. This is my year, and this is just the start. So if you guys are like what you're watching, make sure you hit the thumbs up again and subscribe. And I love you guys, and stay flexing. To the next one.